Hey guys, welcome back to SP Global Solution. This is Surekha Sitaram, HR professional and soft skills trainer. So today, as a part of our corporate culture series, today we came up with something new, that how to perform yourself very best in your workings, or how to perform best in your, how to get a good project, how to do projects. So some people have a kind of doubts, right? If some client has given you some project and you are unable to do that, and it is not possible, you are thinking, okay, so how to handle this? So how to handle when an unknown project or unknown thing, and how to reach the expectations of your clients. That is the main point of our session today. So first thing guys, we have to have three things to put in your mind to solve this and handle this position. So the first thing is assumptions. So what is this assumptions? If you are having much high expectations from the client, just think, assume it will be happen first. Assume it will be happen, and hope that it should be done, and just do the things like okay, this is the expectation from the client, so I should assume this to be happen. If that is not possible thing also, you should take that I should assume this to be happen. So happening things, so whatever the things the client required, write on a paper or write on your stick notes or write on some on your desk, stick it on your desk and think that assumption. So just assume that will be happen, because if you are not assuming, if you are sitting it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen forever. You cannot satisfy the client. Just assume that it will be happen. Okay, so if once that is happened, no, you will be feel that fruitful. If you are not assuming that is going to be happen, you will not feel that fruit anytime. So first assume. Assumption is more important while you are taking a project or anything, so to give your client the best things. Okay, next thing, second point is belief. So beliefs, what are the beliefs? So as a assumption, beliefs and everything, in the second point, beliefs is like you have to believe that that will happen, and you have to be successful in believing yourself that you can do it. So whatever the expectation, whatever the code you run, just believe that it will happen and work on it until it happens. Okay, so how do you believe this? You written assumptions, write a process for that and believe that process will be successful. Okay, so believe that process to be successful. That is how you get, how you believe the things, and this leads to give you a confidence and trust to start the work. Okay, so the third thing, implementation. So okay, you are ready with your thing, your goal is set, you want to reach that one, and the second thing, the process, and you believe that process will be true and that will be successful. The third thing is implementation. So you are ready with the structure. So what to do? In implementation, you have to make it as a practice that you have to do it mandatorily, no backups, nothing. Whatever the plan you written has to be executed properly in implementation. That is what the implementation is. So executing the plan in the way you written will give you the confidence that it is going to be done. The assumptions, whatever the goals you need to reach, whatever the belief you have taken, will be successful if it is implemented properly in the same structure, right? So implement it in a proper way. By this you can give a good result to your client, and you can enjoy, you can perform well, and you can get confident to take the unknown project also and make it successful. So clients always have good expectations. You just hold it off and never think that it won't be possible. Just write it down in these 3 steps and make these 3 steps successful, so that you will be giving your client a best project which is very successful, and you will get good name also. Okay guys, for more videos please like, share, subscribe to SP Global Solutions. Thank you, bye bye.